guys, this is my brother, guys. He is broken.
Hello guys. Hello. Kuya.
Guys, she's sweet,
Hello.
guys.
So I am
She's dreams, guys.
Super Zell.
She's dreams.
Bro, you have wrong dramatization.
Shut up.
So guys, as you would not know or may know already, VX Sniper is still in grade 4.
No, shut up. That's not real. I'm in grade 10. I am grade 10, guys. Shut up.
Who are your audience, bro?
Shut up, please.
Kids?
Class.
Your audience are kids?
Shut up, please, class.
Your babies? How do you do this?
I'm already on the top. I fell. Thank God.
How do you do this? Oh, whoa! Wow!
Bro is scared. Uy, dili lang yung mga doon nagpipilahan.
Ayun, makagabi sa'yo. Ikat na niya sa pag-edit. So guys, how do you do this? Bro, where are you already? Bro, you're already at the blue?
Yes, but ako.
You follow.
Shut up, bro! I'm gonna pull you off.
So,
Bro is leaving.
how many minutes do you need to record?
About 10 minutes.
Why?
Play together, Daddy.
No!
Let's play together, Daddy. Hey, yo!
I was already at the thing! Whew. And now, look at me, I'm
Bro,
still
that's
here.
not even hard.
Bro, I'm still here, bro.
That's not even hard.
Bro, what the hell are you doing? What the hell?
Bro, that's not even hard.
Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi Toilet is not famous now. It's a brainwash. Brainwash.
I hate kids.
You're a kid yourself. Invent the title. I let my brother
Right now, funny man. Bro, shut up. She didn't play Roblox for the first time. And yep, she played Roblox for the first time, guys, and she's out. Shut up, bruh. I don't care, bruh. Just shut up.
I have more subscribers than them. By the way.
By the way, guys, my
Please
subscribe.
subscribe to my YouTube channel.
By the way, guys, my
If you want.
subscribers is 100,000.
How do you do this?
By the way, guys,
Bro, I'm already here. Where? Oh, I don't need.
I'm almost at the Golden Plate YouTube channel.
Bro, you're far from that.
And then what is my YouTube? Guys, I turn off my powers.